Oh, no, I'm okay. Just resting up. Yeah, I do sound a bit. Okay, I'll admit it. I'm just a bit sick. Well, don't get too close. You, you could get. Okay, okay. Mm. Your hand feels nice. Yeah, it, it's not that hot, baby. Mm-hmm. You should keep your distance from me. Hmm. Would be safer, you know? I mean, work wasn't too hard, but you know I always manage it. I'll be fine. Trust me, honey. Just gotta go out there and give it my all. Mm, yep, yep. I'm lying back on the bed now. God, what happened to me? I was so good at this. Now, here we are. I don't really need anything right now. Probably just a bottle of water. You want to make tea? Uh, Honey, it's okay. You don't have to. I'm I'm fine. Water is, I think that's all I need right now. You know, I'll get the sickness through me and out of me. Just the usual stuff, you know? Mm. Oh, you brought some food for me. Thank you. What is it? I can't tell. Yeah, you're a bit blurry. Is that normal? Yeah, I feel perfectly fine. I feel fine. Don't worry, I'll take my tablets. Okay, I'll lay back and just. I really want to do something, but this illness, was it blocked nose, sore throat, running nose, it's all. You call it a cold? Ah, yes, a cold. I completely forgot about that. Hmm. Guess I'll lie back and. Oh, don't lie back? Why? Ah, then what? Ah, yeah, yeah, I guess that makes sense. Alright, I'm gonna sit up now. That was so sore. I felt my back strained by that. Hmm. Honey, what are you? You don't have to come so close, you know. It's pretty dangerous, that's why. I know, but I don't want you to get sick. Come on, think of yourself, too. I see. I, I know. I know you love me, and I love you too. But I don't want you getting sick because of me. You know how much that would hurt me. You're willing to take the risk. Honey, you you really are something, you know that? Alright, alright, you win. Uh, what do I want? Well, besides... well, besides you, I would like maybe some toast and tea. Just those? Well, of course. That's like my go-to. Nothing more, nothing less. Unless you really, really want to make me something else. Alright then. Surprise me. And besides, I won't be able to hear anything in this rain. It's just all cold, dark, and lonely. I'm so glad you're here with me. Otherwise, things would be very and depressing and oh, okay, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. You just make the food, and I'll just hang out here and wait. It's okay, honey. Trust me. I'll be very patient, and I'll drink a ton of water. Love you, honey. We'll see you when you get back. Welcome back. Thank you. I'll gladly take that. Eggs on toast with a bit of tea on the side. I love it. Thanks, baby. Hey, what was that? I know, but what if you get sick? I'm worried about you, you know? You worried about me? No. You just worry about yourself. I know, I'm a bit sick, but I'll be okay. Thank you, honey. You don't have to stay. I'll gladly take this and just eat it for the rest of the night. Sorry. So sorry. I'm just drifting. I'll be okay. You just go to sleep and rest well, okay? I can move to the couch. Huh? No. You don't have to stay there. I can move. Trust me. I love sleeping on the couch and okay. Alright, I'll stay here. But really, it's okay. You don't have to stay here. You might get sick. I know you said you were gonna take the risk, but... No. I mean... Whoa, what was that? No, I mean... You do realize that you're probably gonna get sick too? Then I'll take care of you. No, I mean, that sounds amazing. What if we're both sick? Then no one will work and it will just be at home. You'd like that? Man, You never skip a beat, don't you? Hmm. Alright. Alright. I thought I could not take the breakfast, and I failed. Thought I could keep you away, and I failed at that too. Alright. You win, baby. You win. Huh. Stay with me. Thank you. Yeah, nose is a bad thing. Body feels weak. Hmm. No. You can just sit there. That's perfectly fine. Can I hold your hand? Yeah, I know, but I'd really love to. Hmm. Thank you, baby. That feels so nice. I think I want to stay here forever. Yeah, that's very cheesy, but you know, I mean it. I really do. Alright. I'll rest now. You better rest too. At least get as comfortable as you can on that chair and, just relax. Because you're going to be here for a while. I hope you know that. I'm not moving an inch until I need to go pee pee. Ow. Well, at least that was a bit more gentler this time. Love you, baby.